Come and look at the ceiling of the elevator. Windows.
Yeah. My daddy isn't.
Hey, no climbing on the furniture. You're gonna get kicked out of here.
Can I help you?
Yes. Why don't you film around here? Now remember, when you're talking, you want to be out like this.
Hey, you were doing that
Hey, you're right. You want to show people around this place? No?
We're going to go to the communal
Visiting center.
visiting center, and there's a library we can go learn about Yosemite. Especially about Yosemite, we're in Yosemite. Okay, now watch this. Okay.
Alright, let's go,
You want
guys.
to say hi?
I'm going upstairs.
Okay, we're going. Go in your mommy is
Adeline, come and look at the ceiling of the elevator. It's made like glass stained windows.
yeah. Hey, which number are we?
Just going to one.
We're just going to one. Wait, one? Going to one? Look, my daddy.
It's downstairs. Now which way?
One is supposed to be like.
This way. Over here.
My daddy. One is supposed to be like my daddy. Down here, but oh, they have stairs too. Mommy, look, my daddy.
Come here.
Okay, Matthew's just
No, back here. No.
going a bit here. Oh no. The Matthew nice. We have some tables. Like the place. Oh, and we also have this, and this is where we were down. That was where we were. Oh, my daddy isn't. Well, we did a Nerf video. Yeah, when we're in the river, and I think it's going to come up. So you should, if it comes up, you should see me jumping in the cold river. It's really cool. And I put my mouth in. Oh, my mommy does it too, but she does it better. She does it like 10 seconds. No, 20 of them. I think my mom. Oh, that's fine.
Let's go downstairs. Should we go down the stairs this time?
Oh, you guys, I'm going on the elevator. Okay, we're going on the elevator again. We're going to go on 0. Up. So we're just waiting for the elevator. What? I could just feel like the ground going up. That's crazy. How can you feel the house is coming up? It's supposed to be there. Matthew, stop, because you're tricking. Matthew, if I can, I'll tell you something. Matthew, his neck is his ticklish board. Watch. I'm going to
Okay. Going to hop out. Thank you.
Okay, stop. Okay, out.
Yes.
I don't know why it's another L, but don't you know this is our first time being to Yosemite, except my mom and dad have been here. Hey, why are you filming on your phone and I'm filming on my GoPro? Okay, we're doing good.
Alright. I'm gonna say thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.